We just listed the Hamilton Cove Apartments located at 560 Hamilton Street here in Costa Mesa. This is 15 renovated units in 2023, and we're really excited about the opportunity because this is a fully turnkey property, and not many of these come up in the market, especially in Costa Mesa. Later in the video, I'll go through and discuss all that was done and completed to the property, but let's dive in on the metrics. So going in, the cap rate on this property at the asking price of $6,395,000, the cap rate is 4.75%. The GRM is 14.5 on current income. The price per unit is $426,000 per unit and $682 a square foot. Now, of the 15 units, you have one 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit, and the remaining 14 units are 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Now, there is a unit that is vacant right now, so if there's any buyers that are interested in touring, we can set up a private showing and get you into the property. There's very little, if any, deferred maintenance on this property. It's clean, so it's perfect for a trade buyer that's coming in. Maybe they're selling a building with some deferred maintenance. They want to roll their money into another building, maybe improve location, get really good product, and not have to go through a heavy value add program. This is an ideal property. You've got great, strong in-place cash flow. Cap rates in Orange County, this is one of the higher ones. And for Costa Mesa, this is probably the highest, or very close to it, going in cap rate within the market. Also, we've got a RUBS program already in place where tenants are paying back their portion of the water and trash, and the property is also individually metered for electricity. The Hamilton Cove Apartments is very close to a turnkey property. So this is an opportunity for an investor that wants to own apartments. Maybe they want to acquire a property in an opportunity zone. This property is located in an opportunity zone as well. And an investor might not want to go through and do a heavy lift, a heavy value add. There's already a great going in cash flow to this property. The owner's already spent approximately $1.5 million in renovations into the property. So if you're looking to buy something and not do a lot of work, but own a good piece of real estate, this could be an ideal fit for you. Also, you might be in an exchange. You might have sold an asset. Maybe there's deferred maintenance. Maybe it's in a property where you're trading up and trying to get into a better location. This is an ideal opportunity for someone that doesn't want to do that heavy lift. So let's dive in on the renovations that were completed. So all 15 units have been renovated with the same fit and finish. The plumbing of the property was repiped in 2022 for all 15 units, washer and dryer hookups in each unit, all electrical wiring, main panel, and sub panels for all 15 units. That's a big issue right now because a lot of older apartment buildings have the old panels, and that's becoming an issue when we get properties in escrow. We don't have that issue here. This is fully renovated and all updated. The roof was completely redone. All AC units, all 15 units have mini splits. So those systems are already installed. The kitchens, each kitchen has been completely renovated, including new cabinets, new countertops, new fixtures, subway backsplash tiles, and stainless steel appliances. The bathrooms have all been redone with tile flooring in the showers, vanity, and new fixtures as well. Other CapEx includes real oak wood flooring, which you do not see very often. We also have can lighting, new windows, and new doors as well. And this is really giving that modern coastal look that this property offers. All right, on the exterior has been completely repainted. There's been drought-resistant landscaping installed, new concrete in the parking lot, updated slurry, new garage doors, again, new windows all throughout the building, and new railings, new branding, new fencing, hardscaping, and lighting. So this is, again, a great opportunity for somebody that doesn't want to have to go in, buy a property, put a big chunk down, and then have to have a big reserve budget to go in and fix up a property and do all that heavy lift. Thanks for watching the video on the Hamilton Cove Apartments. We're really excited about this opportunity. If you would like access to the marketing brochure, reach out to myself or anyone on the team. We'll get you access to the financials, and if you'd like, we can set you up on a private tour. And again, thanks for watching, and we will see you again soon.